Our next contestant to grace the stage with their presence is contestant number 23. Te tauhoko ato le vaini ki he Whinemoi Whikuatolu, Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia, Finalolani Chantel Liu. Finalolani Chantel Liu is 20 years old. She hails from the villages of Esi o Toa Hopaukamea, Vai ko Saimoheo, To Onesiliva, Ngalofani Fo, Haamonga Maui, Hufangalupe. She was born in the Kingdom of Tonga and moved to New Zealand in 2003 and is currently studying level 3 in hospitality. She loves playing netball, basketball and volleyball. Her goal in the future is to become a full-time model. She is representing her father's business. Ladies and gentlemen, mo pasmasi mai Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia, Finalolani Chantel Liu.
Miss Lady Maria Australia.
Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia, Wafimata Hiva, Finalolani Chantel Liu, Tulo, ka o whakalawalawa atu ki hoku ka ke i tau olunga, ka hoku teki teki, koe wha o tusia, koe au ka kala e ko whangawha e, me he esi ko tau wha ahau. Ka hoku kahoa, koe hei lala whakawae pipitongi, koe tui ia e he ko kui whewhine, me he paki moi toi, koe konga ki olunga hoko teunga, koe nusi fungani wha o tusia, pitoi aki e lose ngauhi mei he lau isi, koe tori ai kona hoko kainga eiki, mei he vai ko siu mo heu, koe konga ki hoko tua, koe whakamata moana, na e whakawhalau mai ia mei he esi ko lo pau ka mea, pea tui ki e ngatu tāhina koe hiapo nai amusi, pea haha aki, he ko whangawha e tangata, aki e toko o tui tā tui, pea whakawhalau ia ki he loto kai ano o whakamoa ai. Ko ko vesa wa e moi nima, koe wha o tusia moi heilala, nai toli mei fuu heilala, ko whakita ho ata. Ko hoko lolo tā kai, ko lolo pōtea nai lote e he kukui me sia mane, ke o tā kai kia kātoanga peheni. Ko hoko langi tau olunga, koe whau ai la āguanga whanua, kuinsa lote tupo tolu, koe upe o mele siu iriku tapu. Whaka apapatu, Finalolani Chantel Liu, Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia. mai upe o Mele Sikutapu, ko e langi tau lunga ia a Finololani Chantel Liu, Miss Tire Runner Express Australia, contestant 23. O i mo kainga mo paspas mai a Miss Tire Runner Express Australia, contestant Fikua Tolu, Finololani Chantel Liu, Tawa Noa.